One of the great things about us is we're always trying to figure out different options to help you as a consumer when it comes to buying and selling a house. Recently, we partnered with Expert Home Buyer to give you another option to provide a cash offer on your house and all kinds of options if you need to sell your property quickly. We've always had our guaranteed sale, which has always been a great option for us as well. But now we've partnered with a company that does nothing but buy houses. So if you're in a situation where it's an estate, you have repairs, you had a failed septic, whatever the case is, and you don't want to fool with it, or you don't want to make repairs to your house, you want to sell your house as is, whatever the case is, we can bring Expert Home Buyer in. They can come in and make a cash offer and sell it to you right away. We've done this with a ton of families here on the Eastern Shore already. So it's just another option to help you to get cash in your hand to help you in whatever situation that you're in. There's a lot of different scenarios where we've already helped people that they didn't have any other option or anywhere else to go. So if you're in a situation where you need to sell your property fast, or you've got major repairs of the property, or maybe you tried to sell your house and septic failed or something major happened and it prohibited you from selling, we have a huge service that we can come in now and help you, and that's with our partnership through Expert Home Buyer. So this is something that we are extremely excited about, and we've already helped all kinds of homeowners all over the Eastern Shore. This is another service that we're bringing to you to make it easier when it comes to the home selling process. So if you want some more information, check them out, reach out to us, let us know how we can help you, and we'd be glad to offer this option among all the other options that we offer when it comes to selling your house.